Nananom Dr. Isaac Yaw Opoku MP Offenso South ene watiefo nyina enye no kreda eye bosire muka na Offenso ha de garamse de yentu bi ha impo community mining na nasa proper mining cry yenye bi Offenso ha sa fa ne be badia ni nemom garamse de enye no kre de o kana body same na aka mopa said you making
Jebia mining company bi kra ma nanan ho na DC ho
mining kra ma nanan ho
sebia ya mai concession bi see me to mining small scale mining kra bi nkoso mo
me pacho ba ko kra
na de na mudin ba musa
so ofino ebia na wo ka dinkwa wo fi ana se ofino eda etneko sa kwa atuma enwabiaja mponia nwabiaja north nwabiaja south mponia nyina nambo na eye ofin ha paade na nano nyese wodne tim na obo ne tim ana se wo sheda ne ka se won premier nye galamsi ohun se ofinsio no and the supply kumasi nyina and the probable kesi a surprise you kumasi nyina ani patem anti se you two galamsi no won show no mo asante mine enya ensio enno eni na wakasa na sade amekan se mo bagye die nti mo pa mo mra ofin so ha na mo ma me na amekan no ensio na ni kama ofin ha de da bi e we ensio na ni kama
aja se galam say de mo ho de
enti na amekan cho say community mining na say proper mining kra no e bi ma ha na kamin percent mekase garamse aba enti o kan obo de slim ne kai am se wonim offense ha
Honorable Uswapia meda wase anopay okay Honorable Uswapia and odi tuja se o kase offense so pa ye ya garamse wo honoma anya no kre okay ne mo hwe TV anase that TV so anamo hwe no eye brana nano mo trankunya eyi apaye na odwan a otuadua omode se kanto ne minimu se omo ka kire nananom ensamanfo se adwobre omo nanano abomusuo yate se kosi ade odike dinkomo me de nan kam fisa asem sei enka kayen kasa hu na nsoso ase ojine ho ntrehani enyimena ewo radio ahodo so yanko yanim ena no pay mesramo a elections Ghana for yempo eni abetra na yeto ababa amanyofo no a wo mu kra ba ye no ano no ma se campaign ase 2020 and 2 about ya if the Supreme Court that campaign no tuem 2013 after Supreme Court you go Supreme Court crowd MP before started omo campaign say ma koso sa enti no campaign no ye nya ye na that TV su ya mo hwe asante mantem ha 2020 elections na medemo shase free 1996 blue now we show the TV no so no join us on Facebook said the be also betima hu bie blue no a hu no MPP for presidential voting trend ena green ha mamboa eno no ye NDC so 1996 ye to aba no e wa asante mantem ha no na samre no Jekufo ne ginaye NDC nya 32.8 on Jerry John Rawlings and a Jekufo nya 65.8 2000 Kufo be di ade no onya 74.8 so far and only one of the highest. But 2004 crowd here. Ononya 74.8 no NDC nya 22.5 Yera Tamils. And 2004 ye Kufuor Kwasro 77 Yera Tamils is at Tiba from 21.8. And 2008 Nanado Danko Kufuado at 77 no 4.5 more so about 72.5 and NDC free 21.8 no almost so a day almost 5% can hon konya 26 and ye go to abani no na yura atamels and me 2012 nanado sa tiba from 72 no about 70%. And NDC every 26 and no yura John Dramani Mahama economy could do 28.4. And the year 2016 elections no nanado the 5% from 70% no or the more than 5% into Ohuriko 76.3. Now yura John Dramani Mahama and so almost 5%. That's a 5% now. Onunya, you know. Omanhene Yaw Canada. And I call 2020. They are 2 years. Now, was 76.3. Or Tibai 72, 4.5. 4.5%. And another drop was antimantema. NDC did 3.5 a candidate. So now the issue is this. Asante region. Now I call Greater Accra. Famiko Greater Accra. These 3 regions and they are populous. When I talk about populous, a hormone and nipadomia day, a war. Greater Accra, Asante Eastern. Osha Greater Accra. 96, 54 for NDC, 43.3. Rollins and also. Jeku 4 by Obesano, 53.1. NDC, about 42. Almost 1 to cry. Greater Accra near Asante. What do you share? So, Usha, Eda say. Usha, Eda say 52.1, 52, 49, 46, 47. Obianu awatimanya 60% that. Obianu awanya even 55% that. What it means is that Greater Accra is always too close. Eastern region. Ugo PMO Eastern region. Can we have Eastern region? Look at the trend. Apart from Rollins, Eastern region. Owini here. No NDC candidate and Echma winning or Eastern region. It has always been MPP. So it tells you, say, when it comes to those areas, na Sami Jamfi any NDC was Santimantem ha. Na Sam Yinane say, Asantimantem 2024 is going to be a critical and priority region and the battleground for 2024 elections. The question is it true? You didn't come on Yaw, Mami says free. Looking at this trend, what would you say?
Based on the here.
No. Based on the trend of the elections, Adea Guho. Sami Jamfi say election 2024 and Ashanti region will be the game changer and the decider.
Oh, Akuta, Ashanti region there, it has always been the decider of Ghana's election.
But people don't see it like that.
Oh, among political parties, NDC nya a free 550,000.
Like let's say 28%.
Yes. But them use figures. Say be a man for better masi. NDC nya 550,000 votes. Ashanti region eko bia omu wini general elections no NDC enya 550,000 eko bia Ghana ba ya to since 1996 ya odi egu ho 92 96 and the be started democracy NDC tokoso ko wini general elections. The only idea sasa was this 2020 elections here koya and this is about 650 something vote or more anti general elections no it happened because we say NPP so gain certain vote bia na ense so omu gain up north and no ne be cha your friend say yes the attorney say NPP vote, any MPP control over Ashanti region ecofom. And NPP so again up north. Sadia Caneno. Because of Baumia factor. NPP lose grip any control see a Ashanti region dia say you register the part 3 million. Ashanti region emu 2 million and I said 2.5 about to boom Adiama MPP no.
Is it not because of the cosmopolitan nature Ashanti region is also become?
Well,
is it not say the cosmopolitan nature say Ashanti mantem es from say Kanena Ashanti fon kwaneti han amazi say eye manfra te senkran.
Ashanti region has always been say ya. Mimi who say
but I say a increase
but other regions so Asante for doors wo mimi see me hate days in me school me call Tamale
the recent census 30.8 million the figure that came out says 11 million people say they come from Ashanti region.
Yes,
11 million.
But we are scattered across the country,
which means 11 million, yes. Almost 1/3 of Ghanaians.
Even say Kebianki 30 million more.
Now you're 10.
Emu be fa kra no ya ba be ye akamfo. So it has always Ashanti region has always been the decider for a general elections ayeko. It na me nwanwa say both MPP ni NDC omu hu say Ashanti region na ewo honom no eye omu mienu nyino omu stronghold na so mo jane say eye MPP
because they had the second highest after Greater Accra.
Yes, so the NDC voter omu nyaye across regions ni nyina even omu ano omu stronghold voter region no okay KDC ni na de betoto ni omu nya wa Ashanti region ho a say the NDC edit bomb for him say omudu omu stronghold any voter region omunya say mama figures are voter region NDC nya ho as compared to nyomunya wo Ashanti region
add voter NOT.
Yes,
because voter NOT
me crowd me person me fan yi your friend say okay mamenko voter good voter region oko voter region Omo 18 constituencies.
That's right.
Omo 18 constituencies to voter region. Bako NMPP wini ye eye hohoi. Na oko omo total registration
Let me help you here. Let me help you here. Voter region that is 2020.
Yeah, 2020.
NDC, your mama had 606.
Yes.
Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo had 101.
Yes.
1,084.
Ashanti region is NDC nya 658,000. What the info? It's 658,000. Let's say voter region NDC say ayo mu stronghold, ayo mu fie, ayo makoma dano. Omu kunya 606,000. Let's also Ashanti region, Ashanti region, Ashanti region, na NDC nye serious to say, win general.
So then Samija V is not right. It's far from wrong when he says
it's not far from right.
Yes, it's not far from right. Say a higher priority and critical.
It is some maybe NDC this show mutrim so Adea California Santa for the Ebekumase near baby dear no anyone why no NDC says some narrative no fan to mutrim say almost Ashanti region your most stronghold if so munya 500,000, 550,000, 600,000 plus. We need general elections.
Your mama 2012 onya 610.
Onya 610.
28%. And
we need general elections, you know. Voter region 606,000. Regional, we say a year, men can say a no go area. A year, men can say, I say. Abusumsie yenkohonom because omo de omo pay asem no omo 650,000 600,000 500,000 550,000 we need elections run to any hwe wo enti Ashanti regional ye team say no eye both MPP and NDC ni nyina no omo stronghold it is omo ba power omo nti omo ni say no akwa the struggle of the fittest to say the strongest between MPP and NDC. Wow, Besuma Sante, no Asuma Santi, you know, Asante Shawani Munyam.
And is it Asante now? The voting trend has changed. Say, Utuminka say, I had it was MPP the Ochu Mutaya votes on Benya Asante region. And was wrong.
Yes.
But Akwaya say, it drew maybe a NDC to me gaining. Is it based on say more power na ya omo gaini ana?
Oh, it is 2012.
Yes.
2012 NDC.
They had 610.
Omunya 610,000.
Yeah, but 2016 they were still in power, but they dropped.
Because we say omanti omani anhwe Asante.
And before we buy Kasa.
Yes, omo fa Asante say ye bibia omo ntoma.
Kasa.
But now so omo do omani hwe omo kakrawa no.
So it's like they've learned their mistake.
Yes, sir. Omo kete wesi binua. Eye 600,000. Eye 650,000. Eye 550,000. No. Sekoso omo stronghold. Voter region. 605,000. 606,000. That's why we need general elections.
Yeah, sure, another trend. Na memra omo akao. NDC you omani free stream. Because 2020. Juma Baumia Koye or Honoma. Even though they gain a lot here, but Northern region, all the 5 regions not together or move votes, no, to the extent of NPP even winning North East.
Yes.
Emma, woman to man winning election. Just as you are saying, say, Kausha NDC nyenya 600,000. Okonya 658.
Yes.
And yet he does not win. It tells you, say, a Juma a course was same mantem. Any Bruno Ahafu. Any Bruno. Penny Mama won only Bruno East.
Yes.
But NPP. Bruno and Ahafu. Now share trend in one. It was the settlers also. With the Fulanis within that enclave. And Omutuma MPP. Which under normal circumstances doesn't happen. So it also gives Baumia a strong voice within the even Bono enclave because of the settlers.
Akota empempinia na edependi nipa na olidi campaign no.
Very good.
Area honom.
That is nipa na olidi campaign.
Olidi campaign no area honom no.
Like the regional chairman.
No, any regional chairman no.
Or what?
Nipa na party ni be yin say
presidential candidate you mean?
Any presidential candidate. Right?
Like the campaign manager.
Yemfa ne say Ashanti region. Ye wo peni bi wa Ashanti region ha se ya. Se okasa dodo buno dodo frɛ no dodo de ani die ma no dodo tie no sa ni pasa no edi campaign anim tisim gidi a odane niema whichever way a nipa ne gina so ye NDC ni so ye MPP ni na manfo buno our region mu so sorry see ye campaign gidi a or
carry
people along and no see wo is it northeast northern region and savannah ho because of Baumia dru baby no NPP at the Baumia koto ho na as a hona no tie for about 2 weeks for about a month ofri ho no mo a e bia oba Saudi na se omo se ne yere
areplace
na omo bojani mo ho no mo a eti anya me nwanwa se omo nya sa vote no omo winning of east e be dwa mu wo is it savannah
now northern region is now 9.
Yes,
unprecedented.
Emma, Obia winning the region.
Yeah.
Baumia winning region of Freeman of East. Mampeni that John Dramani Mama Susu winning the region Savannah. And a bay not the Nesi Honomonoa. Aquaquay, Yemfani say, I say, Tamaleni Yasa Cratche for ne, a for net as Ayaquet is a Kumasi. Tamale. northern region e yakwa kwati say Kumase ne enkran kakra e honom so no akrachefo ene omo koye adwuma ene sa ne amaniama na tete
okay mame bra won chai
won say baomia yes
na oyi ni mame tie
nipa no
sano penso de aba if he say ya je dodo amemo tu mu a ye multi-party democracy organa ha no asa bribi ebeto aba na ni DC for no appreciate one mo man no Ashanti region e man no pija e kosro nti ya na oti akira ya na enwanwa say ya na MPP for no kasa Ashanti region ye dia so na when DC for no so bowram but e kodu voter region hono a ya na nka se de na nka bia obe pese nka bia MPP for so be page om ho no ye wo she den hunu sa bebre emu page de but se de toto ho pa se de ye to aba no de a na ye hunu no sa nti se de na wo ka no enkeka bia ye keka na Santefo de ye de gold kuragu for mamo a na mo mpeye na mfa ne nkusia no so omani apre so omo so pe e akonwa so atena na se omo nim sa Ashanti region abribia da omo ma be peja wa Ashanti region no omo ba ben mu ni dia omo sesa omo kasa he no na omo nka bibia beto Ashanti region no aso na omo hunu so ye di ha che ene de ye nsan na ye ho so amra kakra na ye hwe tu papa baomia abaya MPP fo e di sa akonwa sa abre no eye djuma ba omi akoye no soro because ye ba western region baby e tu galam say nyina to abadi TMPP
coastal area nyina ayi am friends ayi sa omudi moto ko yi
yeah
wo mo wo coastal ho no no wo oil no mo de ko yi no premix MPP lusu coastal
mano mo ya campaign ya
omo lusu galam say nyina
MPP for lusu
2020 they lost all the coastal and the galamsey areas nyina
any eastern region dia kakra mo de be kan Ashanti region ho ena de omo tena mu no enti said de omo ka no as se send this for yi won ani afiri sire mu ho
yes
na ba omi anso atintim awere e wo ho en wo bogumbe nu
bogumbe because all recent a year info global info analytics they buy you know they pegged Baumia and John Dwana Mani Mahama. Baumia had 88% approval rate as against John Mahama. 88. But omode Baumia ne omode Alan any Mampeni ko and it was 87.
Na sanso ne besi. Se Baumia ne yi ne be ko ne John Mahama ne be ko. Entino amai. Said the iron. Esre mu wono. Se me papa John Dramani Mahama mutie yen. So I'm so near Brown form on my phone.
Was I almost say as a high idea. And no be the BT almost 2016 voter region. When they neglected them and voter region, the apathy, and just almost to Obama MPP. Oman to Aba. They stayed home. 2020, almost to Obama, John Mama 606.
Na the Obama 2024 abattoir. I had Diama NPP. I was Ashanti region and say. Once a baby abedin 8 years no na ne ho ayehi wono anama nyokuo mu kora no edidija bebere akoso enti ne ho ayehi ena na utie de nipa kasa o mo kasa no a ase se me ye MPP ni Ashanti region me kotoma ba mendisi ba me koto
I don't ne kasa wo edom ni krom
koso no mu di nkoma 1-2 mendisi da but 1-2
so apathy
enu de akase pa betimi asi Ashanti region ha ti anu na omo so eso omo ye ho adwuma na ba omi anso se de wote enu ne ma chema ibi etimi tu toma no on say e ho no settlers no doso buru
e wo bono is
atebu yeji kwame danso ne abase enu ho mu nyina no ena na ibi so kakasa hodo bebre ti ande odno ko ji obetwa wo wan we bi na ekoso nti ba omi ano afa sa advantage no enu wo hyemu ho ena ne yire samira nso agia wono so nse wono so fulani
onam bono asire ho
so nam ho no mu pogum benukum enti Ashanti region fo no bubefu a yanto no metimi di ho no aye bibi o man
but ya no so omo figures no so sa because say radio
unya kaka
a whole MPP votes was able to cancel 9 regions of NDC.
Send the Ashanti region.
And American, a cancel you. And no crowd now, and no crowd from 72 to 76 to 72. No, not just a Senka NPP nya 2 million votes for Ashanti region. And go my your mama tiba 44.
Tina Satam, the energy on a Sabra only will be a dim coma.
That's a cast Utiwa Montana and Nigeria Hosa. MPP were Juma.
Pano MPP no, Omo MPP no.
Yes.
See, on Casse mean 2 men people in Timothy and this woman, yes, I did.
But what if
But if you want to, name people for NDC for so did Vim Pa
and Eba
near Munapetua will be
the move free.
Woman about Wabaro. Oh, my
easy. Quabra with you.
But I'll say, Omanhene my entire for near tier for no pay. I'm on your phone. I know what Ghana and nano pay me cast as some way. Omunti de American pa. Se o madwen da so ye o mu apam dada no mu adwen a o mu nsesa o madwen na Ghana for do New Testament.
Okay.
Me pesa me kire o mu se so madwen da so ye o mu se enuro bi se da na ye se dwena ye to aba no saa na da so tie na de a o mu nsa nwene saa asem no hu mienu na ye twam afiri Old Testament abedu New Testament. Eya na wo bitimi trase eka se Ashanti region eye MPP stronghold. Enti se utie records any figures a egu ho a e favor NPP untimi ni ho achinye. Na abeduru baabi te se Ghana fo asesa kwan a ye fa so a ye to aba. NPP ni NDC ni other political parties no sasema me kan. Omo nwene ho yie pa no muntie de me kan. So madwene eye omo se ekwan bia so ekwan bia ekosoro ba fom efom kosoro masoro ba fom aha say there sa region we there won beto aba na dem party A party B a both NDC ni MPP won nwene ho mienu said Ghana fo bi di abufu hyew ene yawo eto aba of late no ama bibia asesa enti so hwe de wo de to so chart na wo de to so ma ye no a since 1996 ubo se na ekosoro na obi di eba fom ekosoro na obi di eba fom it tells you say ye hwe wo hwe on the board since 1996 NDC for the any Guinea no what we say 1996 from 32.8% about 22.5% and MPP there yeah a dasro no far 65.8 to 74.8% into share gap difference no it tells you say MPP for a strategy niema ye e add value to our message ya na what grounds no obama omutirimu anya omode ana NDC for so etetra ye from 1996 32.8% no omotetra ya ne ba 22.5% 2000 mu enti dia was a both party omoye ne say emba omadwen enye wo mo se Ghana na ye wo no eye Accra na afesukuma senko a enti so hwa politicians no hunu no say enye Greater Accra na Ashanti region and ye ja other regions nyina egu honti se wo fa comparatively no tumu say improvement any impuntu a e wo Ashanti region no as compared to other regions no utumu say ekwa dem Ghana for of late eto aba based on development na nananom ahemfo of late na nananom ahemfo bi kura ye campaign ya utumu say wutie na nananom ahemfo bi e kasa yes obi ani abresa mpuntu nti na eto aba anoma hunu no say yentimi nkoba bi te se bia Eastern region sabio ekwan ye kwatorete so kura ye guso nanso be ba Ashanti region no a NPP as a political party ede ha no hoahoa wo ho se ekosoro ba fom emfa ho ne ba bi akodo no be body afa Ashanti region there omo nna no machi against MPP da no ye hwe Ashanti region kwan ni bi based on that they will vote no be so meto no on beto skirt and blouse. Some person who said the skirt and brass pa and who soon so titi a ya parliament maraso da for no obe saying as compared to the majority Ghana for to about on that Ghana for so who say edidija any mura aba both party NPP and NDC if you say edidija any mura nam so we ya 2020 no Omanhene de call so nyina no kire say anu kwa na free senior high school no jam biti kura no ene nya 136 of parliament no 137 of parliament no anu kura no de jam no so we ya MPP for relax say with the presence of free senior high school no kurano ya nye campaign kurana Ghanaians will vote based on free senior high school nti ka ya na do dan kwakufu ado na ni ba no ho so no na wo so sorry sabe na ya too late no mu ja campaign nyina abo no so DC woman sika say won koye mpuntonyoma bia won ko no atiatra no ma chadi asame members empo ensu say ade ne ye chaye no enuru wo so MPs ni bi woman sika so on fa koye campaign on the ground wa no ma chadi na ade na budget ni e dia ma na do dan
complete sense ba almost say Sanya Ghana for J. And I would speak for us. Forget and said there were people who were not enjoying the FSHS.
And to say Ashanti regional NDC for Basamejan Fine, Nenko for Nabahase, none only you writing come over Hasim.
I was a free uncle.
A strategy.
Oh, yeah, said they said
it.
They are spending 2 weeks here.
And ma MPP for Jane Yawamu say Ashanti regional NDC for Banadia, Omaja other regions no.
Mobilization, any new membership now. I have 2 weeks. So I see region they are going to spend 2 weeks.
Oya Elvis, director of election, this obetra hana na. Na me hwe ni din, ne nkoma woni ni din na metie. On say o ka sani pa dodo na na aba, but obo ante sa.
Oh, dodo na aba.
Dodo na aba but ante sa.
There be so ma wie tie me kwa.
Me pesa wo tie asem
na. 14 regions no.
Me kire say. Me kire say. Eni pa dodo na aba ha no. Ebi da so wo akira omo ye sada me pesa wo tie ase.
Okay.
Enti say this 4 years say 11 players ni na aba park no so Ashanti region there. And they are there to deceive them. Omo ye adwuma no wo akira hopa because oni ndc 14 kobo a otumu so omo huru no say automatically e wo so omo ba. Enti any means biada omefa so de aba. Enti wo hwe a NPP so ade ba ko e ha omo no say we Omanhene sa ade oyeye na ha say communicators so omo ye wu. Communicators no so omo ye. No mu bia mu no mu see NDC for kwan woni bi ho because through communication no ubetimi ha block me bia on the part of NDC eba bia because anipa no convinced automatically the person will vote for NPP based on development e koso de we Ashanti region ye tena ha ye kan gradually things are getting up what you say kwan ye Ghana for so who say Omanhene de ntia meto aba ne say e free point A kosi point B e free ba bia meti e kodu studio A na Omanhene tie no akwan no ye menka se fa adwuma bra ma menye do say bi pa adwuma ye na menka se ma misika se me botom but
and obia or the osha sanu ato aba
enti sabe me kwan ne yede a Omanhene I will vote for you
o to me nkosire mu fa free SHS enko ye wo mo yo ma de da
ye ti we be send that
se shibodi ukona fertilizer ho asem wan kan obeto atia
yes because ni kokoko wo ba ho ban
amansia ne important na kwan ye
yes
wotoma wa nese 2020 CID better hanoma
very humble and respected man na no within the bar
say omu wie ekwan na amansia for de anije beto aba
yes same futuro nko ne mu bio
kwabere edu 2024 na yenya omu kwan a 86 na hwe be 30 say twabuto ye 68 na no kwa MPP kra nyame na nyame adi omo afofie
wo de yenhwe ya eso am ha ya on se de number form o ma on se de number form
ai
on se de so am ha on se de number form
ya guso
yes
what so big kasa
on se de number form
assembly gira no aka no
wo de wo Ghana for
you see but one thing suni
Ghana for yenyo
ya na people so raise the concern of voter region say ya kawasem a voter region besua so yeto aba
they will vote
massively they vote for NDC.
Yes.
So what is it?
There was apathy kakra voter region 2020.
Yeah, they showed it. 2016.
Omo tire omo bibi kakra na omo hu say
then na 2020 exercise.
O say 2020 no first time ni bia de o say omo be show sa apathy no. But o second time no masa abem. Because no man say miensa nkwaje ade ne mra na ebi o makoka bibia chom so bia weni na enti
o makocha opa
adwuma no makopa chom so okay ye besa ato ama mo omo sa ba mu massively no 2016 voter region HSA apathy ne 2012 Ashanti region hu say bia baby ade na ekeka ko no ye nyina ntinsi abonte so ne yenkonkoto no na ye too late 2008 2012 kraka kresi enwumre be say 4-5 mu on mo kwa fi amanfo ekwa koto no umfri ikeyeti a wonkodu fie ni ade ne ato awie so ntia there will be
but do you see a party in Ashanti region
very huge Ashanti region we akonta kitua bi a Maya Wahasi.
Quick one, I mean,
Ashanti region.
I say Lily, and the young sister say, "Yay!" The MPP fan, I'm discussing. I want to discuss Lily.
I got 2020 elections, no. NPP diagram here the two TVs. So NPP nya 1.140811 vote.
That was 65.8, no.
Good. Now, what the vote omunya wa Ashanti region. Now they compare other regions to say be a voter region. Now we catch them say NPP nya about 100,000 or and NDC nya 605,000. Good. Okay, kabomwa. Ote ni NPP nya ye, and ni NDC nya ye, free mwa. NDC nya surplus of 505 NDC. Enye voter region asem make you.
Yeah, babe.
2020 elections, yeah. NDC nya surplus of 505,000
as against 101,000
against Kufuado 101,000.
That's right.
Oko Greater Accra NDC utini NDC nya ye ene ni MPP nya utiti free mu a NDC nya surplus of 76,422. Oko North NPP ni NDC ni obi nya ye uti free mu a NDC nya surplus of 58,284 egu achiri. Oko Upper Easter NDC ni MPP ni obi nya ye okay kabom na uti free mu a NDC nya 146,917 gu achiri. Oko Upper Wester NPP ni NDC ni obi nya utiti free mu a NDC nya 133,002 edigu achiri. Oko eye Bono East region NDC nya 43,675 egu achiri. Oko Oti regional na obi kache me say analysis na me ye na me di voter eye na nka me mfa Oti nka ho but Oti voter NDC nya ye ene ni MPP nya otiti free mu a NDC nya 76,163 edigu achiri. Oba Savannah regional NPP ni NDC vote obi enya ye no otiti free mu a NDC nya 63,639 edigu achiri. Oba aye Western Nova NPP ni NDC otiti obi ade free mu obi enya ya NDC nya 30,900 edigu achiri. Okani nyina bomu a NDC ebenya 1,134,262 as compared to Ashanti region nkwa. Ashanti region vote or ma NPP nkwa se koba se other regions ni nyina obi anto ama MPP a obi anto ama no a and the Ashanti region de nkwa na ekwa MPP kuta 1,140,811 and de kwa ko face sa NDC vote we a wonya nyina into region na yetim sese no sa Ashanti region otisi ese mamponten asori ye demonstration
omudi
na ohene edi animu kasa akunta omudi kasa
dadasi
omudi kasa
agosia mami too
MVP
I don't pay memrantia no yeah mami kasem back control. I mean, let me tell you something. When this team was formed, we didn't form it just because yet radio is ukasao. Memran chene mabawan o ma pin. Omunim di. And until now, some muti o ma na money ache no. One lady matter. No, but the issue is Shadio. Look at Ohinini tell you see I espouse nei. She kwamna kese baby on the fire. She ne bo amade abewrem. Munti akosia angle on the befa. I be jam wa djuma dey relax. Mami ko. Ye be frɛ o mami too.
Oh my.
Mami too. The microphone no crowd send am nyam so. E to dey. Mami too. Wo. Jenny Wanye. Oh, but no crisis soon. The bacho, the ayati and say, Kumasi Jum, Kejetia, any Kumasi. Whether say a horde and wow, said they, you see all of a sudden, and why a dear, almost a chain price because, but let me get the dollar rate today. Okay, me back you quickly. Mamine kwesiado di kenchen komo. Agwasi me mwacho. Hello Agwasi. Pacho checking here. Hello. Akwasi Adea Odike. About your mom friend bi o mama.
Na me kasa. Na de ate se nipa ho. Wo man osoma obi a che. Na se osoma no ma no hwe, osoma no ma no hwe a. Ebeduru ba bi no, osoma no wo bo no hwene. Wuti anye yi a, wo bekọ, yes. Wo bekọ. Na se be ya obesan so aba no. Eno ya se.
Why so sika be yira?
Sika be yira. Ho ne yadri. MPP ne NDC. Se si anakwakwa ese MPP fo hu omo se wo mu stronghold kese pa eya sante mantemu. NDC so hu omo se omo so de anu ye etifedo mantemu. Enti obi a relax wo hu se eyire so pa so a ye beto aba no de ama no. Ena na montu amampanya be de akira wa sha ase a wotue wo man we nya de fofrafe na aba so. Akweso akwakoto mpaboa foforo no ne hyenku. Se oto mpaboa na se mpaboa ne ye mu no a wo man emfa won se da no a kura rokotietia de chem na aba obehoroto na de akwakwohye dem. Ba se mpaboa no ye sha se ewe na achi a. Oh! Wo man ba bia de be fa no atachem kura do be nam san so hu ne se ba bia mpaboa na duru no asu ni mfa so biem. Eyire so pa so a eno no eto de adin a ene ye frɛ no saa na asante mantemu ni sirem nso aye se to de adin a MPP fo hunu ne se eyire asante mantemu de won ma kyekere ne dada eyire wudwumi nja se yato aba na wonye nipa ba akokora a won to MPP da enye den a wobenya bia ma won ma to ama wo mu ene semu fo nso wo mu NDC so hu wo mu se wo yire a wo mu so beto ama wo mu enti se akwakwa se empaboa mo no ene mpaboa dada se ne akwakwa no enti mampanya be de akira hyase a wo kan de che wo defe wo manfo wo mu ativido yes na se wa hyase no se wa hyase a wo keka ko enti ebedrum rebi no wo be ya ma won madwene aba MPP amanyoko no so won madwena ba awie no na asanso ate akoda na meda bia amasem a meka no sesenka MPP amanyoko no wo mu hunu won masem kan yie wo mu tumi adi wo mu nkoma yie a kyerɛkyerɛ wo mu nsɛmu a wo man enkasa breaking the 80 a wo mu kan ran ko metumi atwam ba 33 years no mda so te akonya so but communication ni nko yie nti da bia no man ya fa ne say 8 years bia na efra akonya so MPP betumi akonkan pa na so wan na ekasa ma wo mu
na akoso se se a ba bia o mu gina no on se o kasa bi wa wo kan o
wo man no de amfa ho akye afobui wo man
o se akoye te se ade a ye ni musem o se bi wa ye ni musem e bi wa no ma ye funu de je se o fe wo se ansa na ye hu
eno wo ho
e be ya ma ya ma
wa hu de me kire no enti se sia no akoye te se MPP nyina ye because ase enyina boa oja hia to wo
yes saba eno na how no
ba sa adwene ne de sa adwene ne de say ye de no so bu man a ye bedu ba bi enko but eye wabomu nso na kire wado because wabem ana kire wado yakodru pempenso a Ghana for say ya rehye mu akufo adomu nie sa fa yeko ba bia yakodru no can Ghanaians, because MPP can break the 8, not on slogan, but contingent on Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Yakodru 2024. And nothing ma MPP for no be kase. Ghana for no be kase. Say endu 2024 na niema nye ya. Baumia edemano. Because temio, o de baumia ko gina wa. O ka catch the Ghana for say. Monto aba mame na me mesesa no ana. Alan, or a cabinet minister, trade, or Kahubi. It was also the catcher Ghana for some Mama Quenyana. Yet the bidding anado 2008. Omo catcher anado say, Jay Kufambe Mua say Akahu. Even though he won the first round, he needed just 23,000 to jump the Rubicon. Went to me. It is a Siano. Omanhene Yaw mama ye de swano say wona ye president what say o man no wo say ye santo abama kotrase nana adunye wo kɔ obi else ni ho atemi o nobody has been on the ballot box for the first time and has won elections since 1992
bibi ara temi asese wiase
no they make out me say Obia ni honuma wagina ballot paper so for the first time. We are looking at history. Our winning. Nana do nearly change that narrative.
I don't for Kennedy, but I mind. He
came for the first time.
No, he was an incumbent president. You have forgotten that. About first time, but he was the president.
What is out now? Don't know that.
Temio.
2012.
No, but what I'm saying is, no man ballot paper so. But now, Atamio is a free wama or no aba. And I know your man penny are all quite battle. Second time, he had every option and every opportunity to change the narrative. Nanka watwasu nanka NDC. I jump it, breaking the 8. But I remember mananko. Yeah, what did they make an say?
Na me mama akosia ko edu ohwe no wawo no tete aduan na ba no na kola bia be gina we no be di koko ti bobo ti kasia wo di amenedi da kwakra ni gina we no be di koko ti bobo hwe ma ame ne tete aduan na ba ni nyina kwa keto ohwe ma ame ni so se aboa ho fi.
What was the last one? Onya.
I quick one.
A quick one. A man not Nasi.
Yes.
My ladies are here.
Yes. Unim say,
hey,
Ghana per the constitution the year Juma Hasian. The vice presidents always be at a position and say you are the head of the economic management team.
Yes.
Comparatively, who compare Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia? Yes, and the probability for the man to come no very high. As compared
to you see, you're making a mistake. Oh, yeah, Canada, Japan, entry the
Kennedy Brand who? Am I me trying to say? Me the akopreba. Am I me trying to say?
When you can go in and over Siano, and there's a kumta. What do you kumta? I was your for Baby Pomusia. Now, let me welcome my ladies in the house. And now your women empowerment. And then Minya Bishia, Lily Apia as a member of the MPP communication team. And then Margaret and say, radio come again and say, who be a grand, you know. What do you want to say, Magu? Now you're quite no. Now let's say, oh, sit down for me. Now, you didn't come on. Yabibia and Koso. Okay. I was here for Senior Mekayano. We're looking at the narratives here. Na Yashen Samba Kumienu. 2024 is just around the corner. Na Osha Ghana Eba Batumwa Sisiano, the youth population, when it in terms of voting is almost getting to about 56%. The next is women. Emma Ebo Chidom ne ma kasa wo de wo kɔ nakaba kra wo te ne ma nka ho adiayo ye de ma no te nakaba eno no ya ne ma no mo nkura se kakra na no ye do charismatic ne afa university for na te brofo sa ne ekono da bia enti nei say ye din komo na ye de Ghana former bemua na they have a place when it comes to politics. The only thing is the affirmative action na Ghana for person ma women the opportunity to be part of the discuss and to be part of decision making. No, Ghana for ma bebre no politics at 10 years ne ehon sunsaye ne adinti na akodu ba bia ma akoba se ya na ma ne bebre enti so oba bi yi ni ti se obegyina amanyo na wo so aya amanyo sema. Ayana, it is very important. Say, your mom the opportunity, and we also hear them what they have to say because Echo Ebenyina, woman de Jinamoso, Ebimukra say one day we'll have a female president. Be more ever doubts, but we wait to see that probably during my time or probably when we are gone, our generation will come and take over. We'll live to see it. Anyway, Mago, now what to say?
Hey, Minya Bema. na minim say we dey area na aka na chi
ye na woni ka
o wa efe dodo
sa ho
na aduane be na odi
oh me di sompa me di sompa aduane
we dey me da wase na mada we team oni omo ye adwuma nyina na mechia asanteman asanteman o se ko mechia mu nyina ne baabi a wafidi kase ikodru nyina say metina Ashanti region ni mu ye adwuma somewhere 2012 to 2015 na medical so hunko contest ye me nheda mani mu be di nkita ho enti CCI die so wa we need to 442 ye bo enti ama ye ba ni ye ko enti
ma ba 442 ni ye de
oh 442 na NDC bo no hu ye
formation no
formation enti eno na dim ya bedru he enti anafa me ba ya inchia stronko na mede ma santeman na Omanhene mesre say registration na koso no me fama no kakra entum na menuanom Ghana fo amato ba ha aya na me pesa meka MPP fo kire say ye nyina ye Ghana fo ansa na ye choose political colours so enti Ghana ni bia wato ba ha wususu say wabam abu obi bi ho na ye wo say minimanka mekasa enta minimanka me ye ni say entem enne NDC is giving us the opportunity to register with us Omanhene ye support Liverpool ne Manchester ne ade no yetimiti sika ne board you can hear the
support today team Bernard
I don't work alone
we are Liverpool
I don't work
sports for the best is here Liverpool for the best is here we are Liverpool
I don't work alone
I see
yetimiti sika ne your to jersey na ya show with some pride and just the ambience of the just no crack no
is enough
gives you some prestige and so wo join the political party na wo ka say o wear t-shirt into buo for me say me nia bema Chelsea t-shirt ya auto any board dey NDC t-shirt a wo beto you see let's all come together and own the party into na yes say ko polling station NDC for war representative o motete ho a ko tro wudi wo ko tro
no na mo friend branch that's right
enti wo ko a oya wo bi ote ho a churo within sa opesa we member wuntie sika wunye hwe wo babia wo electoral area no ho no wo branch no identify yourself with them me wo ka say enkrofo tete ho a wo kwa ye betro within sa wo pay your card na digital plastic one eno na ye 20 Ghana cedi 20 Ghana cedi pe eno so wo ye be process within a month no nyame ya adoma won sabeka but card registration ni de free ye nyina ye mbedom NDC no na ye build your database na eno na say koto aba yenim because we have the numbers we have our names of our members we have the database obi ntimi be kan kire yese swami yenya 9,000 in our books we have over 18,000 registered members in swami enti yes say obi
Lily was swami ntina de na example
say constituency obey media no constituency in the ben
okay
and asasi ra baby eti so say swami ne wo enti mumi enu nyina enti
ayo
okay me angasa me baby me word me hoye de nyame anamboa
wo ishae so
okay enti ishae so
important ho
wo ko evangelist ho a ode wo be ko baby etese wo ko ebe ko register within enti Omanhene me dance na me intro no let me just use the opportunity to do this I'm doing it for Ghana I'm doing it for us me hoso ye pa
that's lovely and you're looking beautiful you're looking good also
onyame aye ne de aka de aban be say ne wo de nyame ne wo da aban okro
and to say de nyame aye ne akase ye be ko da aban Lily Akye Abia na ho to say
nyame adom
there na also so wo kan NDC for storm Ashanti region almost say a higher critical and a priority area for 2024 and they are unseating you with Ashanti region almost on bam home to say obi akwa away no abehyewo no akwaji league to almost almost shemwaji league na the Ashanti region na ehye mama tell Lily
medase na mama kanya iso de mama ncha abusian kakra edin kan meche am yankasa me MP honorable Osechi Mensabunsi
that's right
na MC honorable Boakye na
ma woni se kakra ma me Lily
omo eso me constituency chairman aban ene pound for me chia mo nyina na ma chia me director kwakwa na ne kese de me de bema Sompa ahwefo ne tifo nyina
okay
anopai die me gidi se nyame ayadom yetinkwam na omampanyi so ebo adwuma samra ye ka say o Upper West
that's right
Savannah or Shenyama Yaye or Shese Bibia Konkai. See me did say baby or man penny will be also saying check is so a commano. Ye so dear or yema or mine Ghana. Any Irish moi Ghana for a bow MPP mo. Now man pay na Miss Chekakra and common would deny the pay. Na a yes say ye beka nyama enye said be so ni be die ho. Okay. Na yetimi etu anamo papa. Na no so maka ni se na masa stress ne pa MPP so aye wa santimem so ya na so ya bohu dawru.
Na sande
na amaye nyina
so wo ha na wo hwe me a me am one person
oh me ni
obi ani won ma o de airport e de your friend say maternity ward the Central Market projects good TV so I'm Ghana for
yes
but enema so chia so
no
you can trust me
ai NSM GD meaning they will be
me twa ba bia mago oni me
ai
abo mo chi 2016 a mo akọ ombo mo nsa me tu omo for mantie
na no kre ni ye nuano ma ba sentimentum I mean it's part of their process some say we Upper West ye adwuma it's omoba
momu hu you are unshaking.
No.
Cry.
Oh, Debbie. Oh, man, unim. Obia one strategy or any nama. Yes, we are quite can see we. Ye and penny for we. Now, me did say no so na minion so 8-1.
Oh, okay.
Asante mantem no beti me aba. Se be obi nsi ho kwan. But then she share ne nyama a dead. And be ma timemu fa hoto so say ampa. Ye de ma party A and e ma party. Etu betimi de akode ni nyina begu asantimante ba no kwasem ne se enya adwuma kra enya adwuma eno so mpusu ye ba akopɛ na eye de se nyamai a ekoso o man Ghana na ahya asentem me de ka kosi se dodo na wo arehemu wo MPP mu essence ya ye bipin eni da so ho eno ntina 2016 Ghana fo nyina ka se de 2 mini ma MPP aye rana na do dan kwakufa do da ya no ti se sakwanya ya ba ene gidia Ghana for we kufa do mu expectations na was stro o man e was stro pay but in shankanya me say yetimi aye bi ye metna senka say ya ma memom na ye simple ana obi aho ato no abanjitum se bebie wo no nyame mo aye den enso aye den ni nyina achi no aban ye adwuma.
So what your mommy? I'm crying. I'm a man. I'm going to be a monk. And to me, Jamaica said, "Moon so more." And to me, moon hold on.
Let's hold our waist.
Hold your waist for me, Mago. Women are listening and watching. Ghanaians are watching. A day until was said Ghana ni 2024. Se Okotwaba on sama NDC Samra Bem. Now Mampeni. Because NDC Monko election so ye nyina enim say your mama neighbor papa ya no wo kuma wo hoyi nyese bia be ye ayi papa ya o kan yo mo kamai ayi comrade for doctor
Omanhene we hwe you
oh say me ye papa no wo ya ade but there's no way NDC will change your mama mo running mate na minim so ne mama na neighbor dia but for now everything has shown say John Dramani Mahama will be on the ballot box. Why should I change my mind and change MPP or first time voter?
Okay.
Mentwa Bama, Inami Wasante Regina. Men reconsider me decision. Say me to my MPP 2020 crime in Samajini. Dientra.
Me that say, Omanhene na me chia me nua ba so am in the studio. Omanhene and ye drum pempen so me o kasa no. Okay, say, Osha population, we youth about women. Na meti hey, me friend me home a woman. I call myself a youth as well. Akaka krani me drew the aged, you know. Akaka krebi.
No, sir.
Na Omanhene, Osha sanya your trend of census no air corner. In the next few years, about 60% of our population will be under 30.
Yeah.
Which is very critical.
Yeah.
Na. About one year, Babekona can't feel me, you know, pet. Enti Ghanaian be and I said, Timem Ghana ni beer. Would you know next 20, 30, 40, 10 years? you must take these elections very serious. Mekanisa, a party and a woman. Yenyanum MPP for my polling station, constituency, regional, national elections. I call them flag bearership. NDC, I have 14 regions. I have branch elections. Akatu, Ashanti, and East. Now, if we why because constituency, national, regional, national, then flag bearership. And to see, automatically, no. Said ya prophets out to me who need to know me say any binti mean can say who is leading NDC tomorrow and who is leading MPP tomorrow. But the year can say, Omanhene party be a flag bearer.
That's right.
And to Ghana mbebunu teach you. Say Nkolani ye ma minimum ye mugidie bebre Omanhene wo fast your 10 years so kasa metie because na dwene mu do. Ye Nkolani ye ma minimum tie yen. E mebunu no ye ne yawofo so betimi akasa say e bia in the next 10 years na omagogo. Omo wo hokro mu ntimi nhwe yen. Enti decision na omo be boa yam ya take it to bring in responsible, forward thinking, clear-headed leaders.
Hey.
Omo betimi ya build a country. Say sebi omo ko omo chin omo nananom from kro omo da omo better because they know say they have supported us to choose the right thinking leaders to lead the country so the country is in safe hands. And to make man bebuno no. Omanhene say if you don't take care, mo choose MPP flag bearer because they say you name your flag bearer. But we share on analysis now. We share topic now. The man na say make MPP for mu kakra, mo flag bearer ship mu kakra. We share said dia on national elections ni yeah. Na get kamia ko ye say ye nua no masantefo ne dawson. Enti they might need a northern flag bearer to balance the equation as politically we calculate and do sometimes. And now say they might decide to build upon or impress upon the notion say MPP is an Akanized party. They might go for an Ashanti. These are the two ways because basically 2024 elections is between NDC and MPP and the rest. And apart from so far we be in the flag bearer. Enti yenhye den nimu ne akua donko no mo ne odike no mo ne ade so ne PPP no mo so de bebreen but me hwe ndisi ne MPP a na che se MPP de ne se e bia Canada Japan so na e ba ono so kra ya santini wo ho enti se say no asa ba umia
Canada o free Cape Coast
okay asenti oye akani kakra aha e na un se okaso ba santifo ni mu so kakra se ye na ye nim ni fie wa ha watena ha ne ade enti so omo person omo balance and say omo raise the concept we Ghana for chimu say it's not an Akanized party there and you not they might prefer an ordinary. And let me make assumptions here. Say in the unlikely event, say Dr. Baumia be lead the MPP, and I just say MPP flag bearer bet me Dr. Baumia. Say yes to my and I say BBNC ya. Now me ba me party so a YMB nomination say constituency cry yen we afa na mafo eni abre obi e ko pedi obeko constituency ni ade. Enti ye fi ho ani ya ba region ni ade ni ya ba national cry me gina mu bia you know yen na ye ni abre. Enti
national call for day.
National Women's Organizer.
NDC.
Omanhene come myself. Enti no, ya ba NDC so far no, ya wo fa kumewu de hye owura dofo eyiniti. So far Omanhene John Dramani Mahama. Yen kwa abato ne de ono anoda so ye flag bearer. Say BBS and then I say ye call elections at NDC, ye flag bearer John Dramani Mahama. Oti ase. Nti ye Mahama so e wo ho. Ti omo mi no ye nim so chinebi mini aba prisla beba be contest bio. Say mukro mu kwadwo bonsu beba be contest bio. So far ni ye hu ye. But from precedents no un say wo ye theories aya na wo build on events na ye met ICC. Ye betimi aka say NDC for no overwhelmingly abra Omanhene Mahama ne Professor Alabi ne Sylvester Mensah money Adea Akye, they gave him an overwhelming endorsement. And to say building on that trend, and not just say Owura Mahama betimi asen abedi NDC anim. So what you say? It's not just to say you
are just being careful because you are a communicator of NDC. Don't worry. Yet was say. Oh, yeah, to us who fees out. Because as some of the best making say Ghana ni bien you on my own said your mama in 2024. Yeah, the phone be born man.
All right. Yes, all other things being equal.
He is the president.
Yeah, assumptions are not just say NDC Benya John Dramani Mahama. Na MPP enya Owura Baumia. Enti say no. NDC versus MPP and the rest.
That's right.
Menka said the other political parties are irrelevant. We are building democracy until we are encouraging them to also get good leaders.
Okay.
Na niema make me basic akra on personality ne say. So wo kwato abama obi na nipa no ne values or dey ba because party na wo aban no. Nipa ne values or dey ba no say onye obi a oye nation builder, oye unifier, onye obi o watema, obi soso anani ku empomudene, jumadene, or mind that who said true leaders, they look into the future. Politicians look for the next elections. Mm-hmm. And we need leaders for this country, not politicians.
And you see that in John Dramani Mahama.
Exactly, perfecto. 100 and over percentage. And I'm sure Dr. Baumia or complimenting another Danko Ekufuadwa. Pennyfo said you did you know you did kind of Nancy. To be very honest, me and Kasambi Kromo this year now don't Kufuadu. Omanhene Yaw. Me fi begro, ye di idea so chebi. Me na na yo for penning abont in Omanhene chichi watch them kwa delete. Me papa, me ma me papa no. Enti me and Kasambi ni apo, ene na do don't Kufuadu. Ye shedi about me asua free ni na wo sha memwo yo mu bu in the 6 years now. There is no way I can say Dr. Baumia will be bishop could be ye cry. Obeti mi asesa because apparently no dear air course no say nani nje ho a it said Dr. Baumia ti mi babeka say kwan ya na na do ne bia ke no foriata ne gabi mu bu o man nani nje ho na as an economist e bi kro otufo ayemfa yanti bi sa ne de na che say Baumia support the air course no and you can tell me say ananu ya me ba kuma say me sisa dollar no na ye 9.8 me sisa $100 no say wo fa 10 Baumia etimi ya $1
10 Baumia ni there.
10 Ghana cedis.
Timmy 10 Baumia.
Aye.
Dinfo from there man.
Say economic measure or can say obechi obe arrested. Into Omanhene, wo share pempen so ya John Dramani Mahama time say na minia ne kind or say na na do ye adwuma. Omanpani Mahama time Omanhene wo pia bontia wo hu say gold da fam a obefa wo yanka bida. Sika kura say yentu ho Rolling Stone na mitimi nya 20 sika dada 20 una mane wo hu bi wo fam say wo nya sika wo fam. Enti John Dramani Mahama time no yamfa ewo ne nufunsu ambegu Ghana fo enu ba Ghana fo be dia dance ye me betena santime mu mbebo project nkyere mu because mu sebi mu ani ehu de ekoso no ye project aye no eye earth shattering project eye very monumental eye very chese wotimi de won saka enti me ka nkyere santifo de John Dramani Mahama aya amomu omu nyina omu nim enti me kakra se me di omatem Oti ase na dear John Dramani Mahama ye na say me material say me free chebi because I wanted to build a point 2020 elections me come me kro mu chebi ko measure else fat e wo chebi na fortunately that time ne ye half na aka half nti say wo gina kwan ne half na ye na wo do 90 for Omanhene wo be gina hot say sebi obi a webu achacha else fat no e kwan ne say you but ye else fat road no about 11-inch thick chebi krom me fese mi krum na me bit and now say chebi e wo court complex o from the lowest to the bottom ti eneko for the high court judge ni ho nti bibi etimi di ko chebi ko di asem se me ba santiman mu na ka me be hu asphalt yi bi wa ha ka me bo me wo fanaba so say we di president ni yi
o na so mo ye asphalt overlay wa
hu chebi dia thickness no I have the video I will send it with you I'll share with you na me bisa me hu say president bia ba ye no ko ni kro mu ko ye asphalt in say ya Inti ya president enfi ye krom no me papa krom aguna saba for nkom be yeden Inti the American say onipa ni su ne ban na odi be di president no won't mean separate the character from the leader Inti character na ye hwe no Omanhene Mahama is not behaving as a politician who is thinking about 2024 election he behaved as a leader who thinks about the youth the future
Is it that Ghanaians did not understand him that's why they voted him out Because he saw into the future. Ghana for antenna say.
Unim say May 2016. Now me contested with Suhum. Why we need to. Now me need I was focusing on Suhum, but honestly, when we lost the 2016 elections, now me share projects and now me say, hey, unim say na me nim say terminal 3 crowd. Because at that time, no, and the psychology of the Ghanaian voter, no, we cannot underrate it. Who's a Ghana for? Me started to about okay, me for 92 for started. Okay, yeah, maybe at 92. From 92, yeah, we are used to the 8-year voter pattern.
That's right.
We don't look at the personalities, we look at the party. Enti Ghana ni ne dream say we are Mahama we are the late mail so NDC. Enti we stayed in power for 8 years and our sins were many as politically we can say sometimes. And na fatigue abem ya say na ye ho afono Ghana for NDC 8 years. Into the voter psychology of the Ghanaian voter no. Ni trim no subconsciously no the NDC ni shemu kra osusu say what time aso. Say wa aha and na MPP ni na say onipa the person sitting on the fence will be a kind of floating voter no. Or doing say let's look for a change.
Okay.
And the change they haven't seen. And I won't say ni pepia so no wo hwe se ne ye tie na aya na ye pade foforo o mai ho betimi atom pabo betimi atom Michael Kors me nua bait obedi ada so timi to Gucci glasses be ye bia $500 the next time I obetu kra be se nya another Gucci glass a $700 wo beto dia wo hwe ne nseye inti nipa na nkasa ya na brebia ye pre at the forefront and na 2016 ye ho for Ghana for na no nche se John Dramani Mahama anye adwuma but not because of my municipal chief executive for 10 months in so home so wo be ka kira me say wo be ma me $1 million me ni aba me ni na no ye Cape Coast mayor Priscilla Hene former Cape Coast mayor
okay
and to say me ni anu ya tena municipality ye nim se nia district na constituency adwuma tie na wo ka say me MC you be ma me $1 million every year to
1
develop
million, one constituency.
To develop my constituency. Hey, Omanhene, me I don't need central government. And to all these juicy promises. Now we show you no be omote kwankwan ya to omo boss pa na ba omi abeba ni omo ba boss pa ibi. Na na do ni omo be di ampese no se share. Baby amuti me the factory kakraka, factory chenchenche. Factory mu chief justice me di besi ha. Ama mo ye adwuma mabosumi sika agumu bottom. Na Abrantie no obegye because the longevity of Nanado's stay in politics there was no way Ghana ni betimi akase papa ni di akoshi Sebi enti omo GD the Ghanaians fell for I would say for the lies because Omanhene what catch me say me free ha what dey me be call golden to bakoma me lunch why will I doubt you because we have a relationship ya nam for ache Nanado ni Ghana for atena cha person di president for over 40 years. So why will a Ghanaian think say Nanado try and throw? But enne me nkasa me wofane wedi akushi. But you see the sweetness of the pudding lies where?
In the eating.
In the eating. Are we eating it? Enti Baumia or Alan Chairman they are not different from Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. They gave Ghanaians high hopes. That is why disappointment in a bantam. Omanhene wo be fame now de me come abusuafo wo say me be fam obey na me ne na kwa kotena me sori na pa ne busumi akatua bia me de be man me man nya adwuma 10,000 me de be man no mesifia me abusuafo na yakona 4 years ade na amba me ene me abusuafo e bia na me nkasa ba me tirim
waja me
jawo da me trend opportunity na eba ne sa so a wadamfo bia menim ne bia onu say hatred by extension na me dey assign enti Baumia or Alan they are not different from Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo they are part of his cabinet Alan enye bema otimi kasa sa santini bema won't na se makenoforiata enyi one district one factory and free wo ministry and fan kwose na se won't na se ma yenya wo te say obi puppet na yen dane you see I am capitalizing on the personalities because it is the personalities, principles, and character and behavior that they bring into government. What I said. So the Ghanaian
so from your angle,
never fall for anybody.
Let me understand you here. 2024 elections, though it is party, who believe who say the personalities that will be on the box or on the paper will determine whether Nipano obetimi amo minor konenima even though the vehicle is the party.
But the person, never. Or you're 90%. Kofi Gomsen can say, "Many and to Obama na Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo." Or say he cannot sleep with his eyes open, or with his eyes closed when Nanado is a president. Wouldn't him say? Na your dream say ehuhusem. Should you see why I was so West Wagon? Should you see the matters of 2020 elections? 8 people died. Techiman South. Should you see what Odododio 14-year-old girl were fear. On the cry say no MPP ni. Just and if there be any fee be MPP ni or the jubilation the girl was shot. Yenyamukuro mu ha bekwai MP ne ka said they were armed robbers. Figurative of speech. Oka say we don't sympathize with armed robbers. Indirectly, you say a 14-year-old girl na armed robber. Enti personality no. Adrian won team and they said you're appreciating Nema and Tema because John Dramani Mahama left 2016 because or say and your nuntina a drop of blood will fall say unfriendly president. So look at these two persons, the Ghanaian youth. So what about 2020 now who John Dramani Mahama now any other person on the MPP look for a leader who thinks about your future. Don't look for a leader who thinks about the next election.
Hold your breath there for me and let me go to Lily and let me hear Lily what you want to say.
Lily dear what him I said that and I just say Adea
one so mo wa ben mu Ghana fo bebre etwa mo abe wa kra ja to mo say enema mo odende na nso ma ye bida mo ba ban mu no 2016 na enema nye enso so mo ye na enema abase ya mo betimi asaye de nti na ma first time voter babunu ma me pani Ghana ni 80 wa ye ma mo breaki 8
me da say oman no kwasem ye share 2024 party na abre say be break 8 na ebin see that if in 1992 acquire 8 years 2 terms 9 cedi 2 terms 9 pp aba now this time round no and a pc break 8 now see a share MPP and this is the last 8 years Prof Mills JM I ana yanka Prof Mills as me ana yemia na se bibia koye JM yana yasam as against 6 years of MPP government. My sister was talking about personality. Senkeka personality crowd and I think that their candidate would be if it is JM the anankon deserve to lead the party. Ye cannot create a You see, what the NDC does, the NDC for yana say, the emotional sentiments, you know, ye share situation a war system ni more, ni a share a downplay, ni a psyche amount for, and no na enye. Now, Namia Doma Ghana former MPP Akwenya in 2016. A year and another down Kwekufado, a dano, na Bawumia, the vice president. Jidie Mapa. Ene hyehyeye papa edugu akwam aye ton yensem na Ghana for toy no kranie ensem ne eton so de yaye mu fa sa wo amemmuo ana 2011 na okra 14% growth rate na wo free abam na onya 3.4 na wo so ya de yemo ensem ma de ene na wo se esi uhu abusiafo NDC enye the choice for Ghanaians. Uko baby bebre na ukase wi a amanfo hia wa yesrem MPP for mu yenuama yo na NDC is not an alternative. Obi eka and it's true. Say NDC is not a choice. Ye ba ye nyame animu ni. Nyama aban etimi aye. Fun planting for food and jobs. Planting for export and rural development. Greenhouse villages are air cost of food crop in initiative opa agri sector nyama air cost of samri now free SHS the bia make free SHS because I no there a kufuado akoma so ade e san say adea onim ne say yen nyina mabunit nya nimdia eno na betimi adwen hu say mentoma party A and mentoma party B na sebi wanya nimdie ama wani anti a ebede wo hu say anamo a wutu papa na senye papa now napco aberie of which buying edi napco for 1 year because there was an extension a buying so betiomoka now abolishment of payment of utility bills at the tertiary level man in all these and sana yebenya kunyana na NDC for the IMF IMF program no ni ewom and ye beto ye in all the IMF program no Yes, so yeah, what your programs are near. A barrier April in 2019. And so I buy when you saw I didn't know the projections. I was so yeah. Emma or mine tumpon. Mine case chebi. Asphalt oh now free na me adomo de. But some reason so de you so croy. I'm was majority leader and persuasion. Na so koso. Uko menshia asphalt wo hono. Uko nhia so ukoko areas ni bia asphalt egu hono. Sebi asphalt ni ye because ebema ye namontuo no etini akontem. But a bad infrastructure, any nipanan kasapomuden, nipan building, that is a human resource. That is what the MPP is seeking for. And the TVET, oko MVT here, just structure a binding DSC. I also say TVET education, you know, a bit teenage na mebunyan sanuyuma. And what did the NDC say in their manifesto? What did they say in their manifesto? Oh, ebusia iti mesra yenya kwanya bi se ya yenka no krenche ho. E ma yen fa situation na e koso. E fa psyche edom ni nyina se mo na moye. Monye papa. And that is the truth. NDC is not an alternative. Oh man, Samra ye ka se no kre. Obeka se ton, e o se $10. What to baumia din? Baumia de ni din de dos.
10 baumia $1.
Oh, ye. Baumia de ni din dos. Bauni moman. Nyama mu emprempem nyama esie. Ana abanasa. We admit, a free Ochinako, Bank of Ghana, funds $750 million, ye be push up a system. Amount for our hoarded dollars, any foreign currencies in the amount of our bonds, because Munya for so be and free. And none Ghana for you soon buy it. We always take advantage of a situation. It be here. Near Shas, ye, send me for so, say we be for so, near and drink or money puntu. Now, ye ko ye nima na me nua ka hardship or de ba omi asem ba me die ye ra ba omi abia obi ameto so na sorry the Messiah indeed in all the hardships one ye free COVID ye free IMF conditionality in April 2019 aban ye na hye ye de ko elections and no we never thought say ya de bi beba e friend COVID and the COVID impact the crisis is still in the system. For now, amount for person peja the business sectors person sorry because of the shock, the global shock. See ye, amanyama ye basenti samre businesses asha say peja mumu. Ana Ukraine, Russia war ye kind is fonenti ase. Many bestre, but no crane say sanity. Oh man, say I buy any projection. One now so that in 2019 we are reviewing the budget for the 2020. Na bibi say yaba or drink on man ho first. It's an amount wo si yetu. Say the beya me ne wo say e Ghana for ye betimi anya pomuden na aban na hweye. And she shared the go akwam. Alongside we had the NDC, they had a parallel COVID team. Saying, if indeed they care for this country. Oh man. I mean, on him that time also not a election time. So they were doing this to gain some political point, but it backfired. Your party and she share and I will say that. Now me say panel members ni be eka. A fire battle your two for MP ship no. The time you do to na amwayen. Nama be break free SHS. And as we speak, and mebuna omanya kwanya free SHS no. Say na ekoto they will still vote for the MPP. Sebi enyanka nipa nyina na nkebenya kwanya for free SHS. I was reading their manifesto. And when you go to the agri sector of the NDC, they will state to say the drop out of schools. Agri. It's unfortunate I didn't bring it. I had time was reading through their manifesto. So in their minds, they were thinking, say, I was saying, drop out. It's not true saying, I have it. Oh, Mr. I have it. You see that?
Address me. Don't address anybody.
Oh, don't worry. I know her. It's because she's my sister. We go on. But the point is, in all that, Abane should say the human capital be resourced. Ebiom, talking about Samreya, the current situation, I mean, they say a symptom. Now, Abane A2 and a mountain. So that, Nima, ye be China, me ya doma 2023, moving to 2024, Ghana for be doing one dance.
So you think you can change the time?
Oh, exactly.
The way you have started, no.
Sure.
Move it to my change it time. The government is bringing in $750 million into the system to bring the dollar down. And after that?
Things are unfolding. you see that we have the economic management team. All the brains are on it. Just say we will stabilize the economy. System ni be yeduma. Ya ye depend on mine. Now, conform wrestle. Now you see there was global crisis and for fuel. And I Ghana for bufu petrol board cost. But that time it was too late because there were election year. I buy ni ya hoshia enye. But wait there, we are suffering in our problem. And the na ye Ghana so yes you will be. And then I buy the program aba. God purchase a program.
That's right.
The reserve. Osha on man bia and then the currency timijina brania. It has this policy. The gold reserve. On my Ghana, you too good the pan. And so don't send all Bank of Ghana. So the policy is that Bank of Ghana is a who could ye gold na. Yes, you to be. Then you be there to your reserves. So these are the interventions, the programs that are buying the ba. Say be ye sick as some nebet me jina. Because oba santimantem hanoma. Mengas ashanti, but a santimantem agasa ye business oriented. Business ye the pie. And no ye fruma. It is say, oh, was this sika? Nessica no cost rope. Not just say, quite here, baby. It's a hana, oh, see, dicka. Because, say, it's Mrs. Son in Yamani, and yes, Shinamani in a year. A bit favor the business community. Yet to crow and now I'm an for, or more baby on businesses, or more almost can almost a son. Adea call more foreign currencies. A bus as young more the sick as some never him. Yet a Ghana hanum, Nyama was see the ending. Don't send ye na patronizing made in Ghana products. Yeah. And so chewing stick near Kofaba, PK near Kofaba, I mean other brands.
So the one district, one factory was to be a panacea. But we don't see the products on the market.
Oh, we don't see it.
Why?
But it's
because government says 125 industries are in operation.
Yes.
I go to the market, I don't see that product. So if you tell me you have a factory and I don't see a product, what are you telling me?
Of late, say a confit juice is in the market.
Apart from a confit juice.
A confit juice. Now, a commander of sugar factory, send us a video be by. Adea was starting processing. On my one.
Yeah.
The one in charge.
I agree. But you have just mentioned 2 out of 125.
Exactly. But things are unfolding. A tomato puree. I mean, also brands. You see,
it takes time.
It takes time. But what say ya? Kakra because I was saying so you didn't too.
Okay.
And no na air koso. And the fabric never be break is made in Ghana products. And you patronize because of an initiative MPP are binded by and money for you. So I'm doing all this. I'm saying all this just to encourage all of us.
So you say NDC. I'll right problem. You say NDC is not an option. Why are they not an option? Because if you heard what Margot expunged about a leader who is forthright, Omanhene John Mama, he's not thinking about 2024 elections, he's thinking about vision to expand Ghana or infrastructure, what can we? But just his character makes him a good leader than whoever you bring along.
If JM is not thinking about 2024, the end of
no, not on the literal statements on but or he says you're visionary. Yes, that's what he's
opportunity. Ghana former GM opportunity is excellency, ex-president. Yeah, man, opportunity, fine opportunity. But then 5 years of doing so. 5 years of doing so. It's not crow way. Business is a collapse. She, man, ya cannot crash the way ya economy is to call from. Nyama ya basao. Na kakre from a crabby show no. Yan more a hit up. They are trying to downplay a more air psyche amount for to say the naman koyi. Yet a crow way mu. What dear could do so for 5 good years. Now as we speak, talking about judgment debts and anka be breakwa. Mo years come away me. 51.2 million. Ye di amano. Ejuma be no ye. Then they see ye nim. En confirm e ko amanone Burkina Faso. Omama. Ye see nua ye kodue de nua wo srem. Eduane hye e wo he. So we are talking about ye cast a credible leader there. Then I think JM when you a fair share of the cake and contingency. For the NDC, contingency.
All right.
He shouldn't.
Let me come. I will try as much as I can. I can do messages. No, they make us a mekaya. Yaman, Yaman is in Yama, Muslim, or pa. If you are listening to us, you can see, say yes. With MPPC, you have the men. And also, I have the women. Margot, I know you have 1 or 2 rebuttals, and let me give you like some 5 minutes to do that. And then I will activate the line so we listen to, and that's also the women empowerment. Remember, man, Kwanso na afre. Remember, we be fu. We just put there. Margot, ma be tell.
Yo, minya be ma meta wase. Me tie minya ba no na. Unse ejuma we ayache. So me started communication for NDC na somewhere 2007.
Now, sir.
No, Mr. Oh, Mr. T adverts when I was a university, you know, for the party.
Okay, so that will attain.
I was the first female team president. Yeah.
Yeah, then no. I didn't make.
Oh my, send me free chibi. Omanhene Yaw chenti eto da me hu me nua no me hia me nua no ma di nua mpanifa akosia menu na efati da me hia ma no mo ho ye mmobo because asem no kan ensi so nti eto da no ma to me bo ase amom we me ni asante man na kasa me si me fi na nka me nkasa because asem no mema na bre ti esa asante man na me ni omu kasa nti na mayire me ho kasa yi o se me nua ba Lilian kama pon you see adwuma na edin ma no
adwuma be na edin ma
dia oye I say NDC for we are taking advantage of situation. Ekufuado 2016 you taking advantage of Abaze. Abaze no taking advantage of. When he was saying so free chebi na sike bi amba ho na ade na dokono ya 1 cedi. Na oka den. When he was saying say ko 4 time na Ghana cedi ya $1 to 1 cedi. Na Joma ama buy na Ghana cedi no akwa ye 3.4 to $1. Na o taking advantage of what? Omanhene oti ase. Anytime say adwuma na edin ama no. And secondly, oka IMF. Omanhene say MPP for more.
Omo di ko su di nkomo.
Omo ni opportunity. Lie no wo. Ye di omo to relegation. Abra no mampani mahama ebeto inherited problem. Problems are not a wo ho a ye nananom anatetefo ya to ho beto mu. As a leader no taking responsibility. Oka say I will solve them so. Omanhene say Rollins a time na dum so wo Kwame Nkrumah akoso mo no ye no what was the population there sata ye papa no mo ko university na a whole room no mo nko mo de ye mo aduane na pawia na enwumre Nkrumah ta na ye papa no ko university and ko university of na ko he
for di sopi wo ke university
chese aduane no mo di no mo to bi egu and na say yentimi nya na sa Nkrumah akoso mo no it was for a certain number of population
3.4
and now what is Ghana's population 31.8 and see, a cost of 3.4. When you match it to over 30 or 20, your friend said John Crano, let's say 29 million, there will be deficits. And see, now I was say, and Kaniano, yetimi a pejam send your population is where you're a peja, but a pem John Dramani Mahama as of that time. Na enumpono na Ghana oil field say yakasa oil fields a fango a black gold a chef femono. Ghana near wo just say yaka field da ba ko pe under John Dramani Mahama na ye tuning kakra and onya vision say we say ye etuabo gas. Omanhene you are learned maybe na me tell mo discussion ti no just say me nkasa bebre. Ya say ekumfi juice. Omanhene maybe ya won. Say bi obi amede Kia morning ana Kia Picanto ne buy. Uko mi fia me wo be 50 Kia Picanto gu ho. Oti ase. Na me ba studio hey na me hu say wa park wo Suburban sa car sa US for car Suburban ba ku si ha.
Lincoln
ba ku si ha. Na me say my friend my sister say me ne wa won hwe say me wo car si 50 gu fie na Omanhene car ye ba ku pe. 50 of Kia Picanto. What the mere cracker went to mean to Lincoln nice here. That was yes. And say why you kumfi juice? Why nanado juice? Why baumia juice? 125 ministers juice. Won't me fan to John Mahama tuabo gas. Da, you know. Na kumfi juice no cry and cry chroma me to the mirror shop be a cream. Omanhene kumfi juice kumasi a fan na wona me nkoto bi no. My sister, a former Cape Coast mayor. Personally, Ekumfino, mo region. What that will be banned to be because in Klein have been here. Kumasi me buy ye. Baby, I am not me Kumasi me to idea war. Echo Bank and the Hono, a supermarket be a Hono. Pocket trade, me, yes, you say Kumfi. What are you telling me? What Tom Kia count to 100 no big it as Sabeban 2 also wafeno. Investment John Mahama did in the 2 gas and ne a huchira ye komunukran, young cost gas, young cost free gas. No, you cannot make that argument. It is a very rudimentary argument. Secondly, the biggest oil investment in West Africa, ENI, John Mahama, yeah.
2 oil fields.
2 oil fields, no. A bin seeda. Enti ye wa opposition na ye breno na to mama tete ne more mu say echirimenti yenye heritage fund echirimenti yenye stabilization fund echirimenti yenye funds bebrebe ni nyina no na on June 2016 elections asem na make na maybe the amount not on June Ghana how to grow it enunti na ne covered by and another dankwa without any stress or then a sako boss stabilization fund mu and or the boa Ghana for mini abema. Sa oil for back one year one. At a point, it be a challenge na yentimi to oil.
Because FPS was destroyed.
And no na Mahama. Esan say oye unify your one who brasia. Ye ko school no. Memi ko school na mas pa na mempe. And so na minim bia social studies. Na minim English. Papa me. And so me call SS na accounting na mtimi 100%. Can you? Na there say me math teacher now. Michelle no primary no.
Di baba na record accounting.
Question so na me ya. Omanhene. It is a me who say Omanhene we you good in quantitative matters ah. Mitimi forward down for. Na me match show literature na me nimo no. Na watch me quanti. Nti unya A in literature, na me nya A in quanti. Nti ahokyere ba na John Mahama say, Ghana fo mpanimfo nyina kofo nom ne kofo ne chief of staff nom mo di oman so pen. Mo hu bibi a me hu bi da. Mo ma ye nyina ye nko senchi. Ni ye nko tena se ni ye ndwendwem because Ghana na nya me John Dramani Mahama dia. Ni papa iye Mahama be di minister owu ye wan fa Ghana nko. Enkroma kra gya ye ho. Enti mumma ye nyina ye nkambom because enya NDC MPP nti ne yete ye Ghana fo ansa ne choose party na ye nya NDC fo mo so mo ye MPP fo na ye nya MPP fo bebre ya o mo ba so mo ne ye ba betena enti political party ne de ye fa nto nche na ye ndwe your mind ho na ye frɛ osafo mafuka so obeba o me wo fa kotokufo ofa ne bag pe ne ka chen so ontena se wo kwan wo ye Ghana ni Jai John Mahama non say on mine so that we MPP na Nado will take advantage of it. Taking advantage of situation na Nado is the prime suspect. Ye wie ye no ye ba senchi ye nya panin ba ko ono de ohun so ye Ghana ni first opani ezekwadwo mpieni kwame mpieni obai nti osi odu ono ye say uni anu ma mo say achimotafo na mba no si dem osi uni anu ma mo say asantefo na mba no mo si dem osi ye say uni anu ma mo say him for say MPP for say na say me ye Ghana ni anza me MP onim say ye tena senchi na ye nya omo mo dwen Ghana ho no de ne omo tena ase yes, ye homegrown solutions, Asla, any other levies. Nyama ye introduce say ye de be kushikushini ya hu ye be miemia ye hu. Na I am a fun so ye mu na ye discipline ye hu ni ye credibility no. Ye pages that document if you send call IMF no. Adea ba ko pe no omo de ka ho. Oman se sabibia o. De ye wo senti no. E na ye page document ye de call IMF e no mo de adea ba ko pe meka cho no mo de kan enti fiti ho no na John Mahama say after 2016 Ghana's population will grow by 8.1%. IMF also can predict you know almost the same thing say Ghana's population after 2016 will grow by 8%. Na say me ya oba na wu sebi wu tu kwan na waka kire me say medi boso me miensa but abuna me ko no bibia ni ho ebehia wa say wonim nia wode atoto akwan mu ennenti no mampani Mahama ka say the population will grow because 2016 ya ho kire wo nti ye miemia ye ho but niema me de atoto akwan mu no ye free 2016 mu ana che say
niema epeja
ena mpani ampa 2016 ye lose elections ena nana do ne kenoforiata ne ba o mia bai year 2017 na Ghana population it grow by 7.1% or 7.3%.
GDP.
Yeah. So dear ye kan ye no ebemu. That in 1 year dear na do betimi aye to warrant or to merit that growth. Logically, ayo bi na ya to ho. So appreciate it. And the point is that yes, I did any no, and na yes, so yeah, 2 additional oil fields who adjustment mo buy a penna, and your baby to fango, munya me no can ye dear back no time, chinebua, and 1 other. I can't who a year me and son. 20 to 8 years, I'm a hammer near at a music D na process a yenye free oil munene 6 billion within like 4 or 5 years and another doing 20 billion from oil proceeds the same Ghana. To whom much is given,
much is expected.
Bosia and another dankwa abo menko ho because yet amaso. Into the bottom line is that the leader doesn't know how to manage. The leader believes in profligacy's luxuriousness and opulence of lifestyle. Nanado your mampenia, ano yeja, and a pebiano ato fried rice, na odi, na ne match, ocean anymore, so they're trying me quite dachi, now so wedibi. John Mahama yeja, one in etia, and a pa or say yanka uza coco, monka millet, coco, monfa kekedrone, when tian to tum, na monchi cause me and sebi, na area so yambo body and pesi, and yen chicos to swani contomi, and I yan anonum de maye, and you may young woman came for na yen duan quine franca, nasi canca cranca crano, moncolane dachinti, because near yet here, yabekwa may be more baby diachi, and to yen chiri mammy back 10 years into John Dramani Mahama Stabilization and Heritage Fund.
Thank you. Let me come to you.
Yes.
And listen to you, and then I will activate the lines. I'm supposed to end by 9:30.
Okay.
Now,
Omanhene Yaw was happy with BB. I'm saying, phone name Ben. Let me buy inflation. Country Ben and Tokwa was to Siciano. Ukraine, baby, almost
Ukraine,
say
Russia.
When you say Ukraine inflation, as of June 30th, no, Ukraine inflation at 42%. Ghana inflation as of that time was 49%.
Ghana's inflation, the latest was 31.
Me say as of June. Ukraine had 42%.
Last year or
this year.
No, Ghana's inflation. The latest is 31.7.
Now they're checking Ukraine. Dear.
And then Ukraine is 21.
Even Russia, dear.
Russia is 14.
And the to bomb.
So bomb no there be a two we make hello.
That have been affected.
Your microphone is off. Let me hear you.
But nyama nyina so yakrade.
That's right.
Talking about doesn't know how to manage in minya and somebody. Then I think Ankaje munya 14% Prof Mills 2011. Anka entin 3.4%.
As in GDP.
Exactly, as in GDP. And then the measure. And another crisis been a net SC. She see it. Na BBNC. It's much training and nursing, teacher training allowances. Much. Oh, I'm she.
No, me too.
Much nursing training allowances. Nyama a common youth. To the point say unemployment cry yamfa. And maybe unemployment youth association.
Graduates.
Na kwa kusua poma konya nimdia. E wo so di nimdia na boa wo man. Wuti fie. Say ya hihye nuama yi. NDC e mamo nyesa. E mamo nyesa kra na we dey emfa kwen. Oman, you know the hardships. And I would say, and I may share in a young crime say, MPP would sustain this economy. Nyama bedane. Nyama ebedane in no time. Because a binary economy no. Yaye be pen. I think conform to this level. In 2017, yenya 8.5% GDP. On my ni pija.
But he's alleging that it was because of the good things of John Mahama.
But he said, but to IMF, we were in the conditionalities.
Okay.
But see a farmer for you, you might fight 2 million. So for education, now for health, now for security service. Yes, you
okay.
Over 295,032. But a business so broad, so because we have the private and public partnerships.
Okay.
Emma Quenya meets me from Mebunu. But no conditionalities in ho. It's not a hina a favor. But no question say. Some because it's taking advantage. That is what they are best doing. Was Omonia Sembiaka, JM by ye. o de yen yi prof mfim na GM okram reso de intervention papa one NDC for JM etimi ka say we so me de abeboa Ghana ene den de enimu ane say edin ne ba ne asesa no why ye ni asesa na kojida sada ni edane dane nyam say ya because of their intention but me can be ma de Ghana for nyina nkran say MPP is the best alternative na me damo so say they be also ma abani emunyi na sutire because the love for the party is high. Jidia Ghana for MPP mu no osro. It is a bibi nko ye pa na amanfo akoma. No amanfo ha high. Na den na ekoso yi. Ya damase. E be sa damase bio. Na no na ye reku for do say men kan show man. Any other stations na ni so dem moye. Eni to no asusu besi form. No wa hwe de eko. No who Sompa niama me man for air and one anana. Yeah, the regional integration by the 6 regional capitals. So there be a decentralization, no, a bay adjuma. And the district assembly, ya say increasing, and na swami, swami. Our swami in puncto ecoso is because swami a bay municipal. And money she came yasena. Na came so pay ye. And so I came for bejo or swami magazine nation. Now so not development is saying a came de baswami. Into our buyer ultimate gene say member governance and not from and benefits. I think MPP has done better than the NDC. So moving forward 2024 inshallah Ghana for MPP and the Mohamo Yera Kufado Yenny Mohamo da ye the Ghana bekonim now the breaking the 8 and ye they see say break it. Now talking about say Prof Mills, I think I made a comment here. Compliment of Nanado. You are referring to a friend saying vice president, but compliment to your friend saying Prof Mills. And on na yera JM nya opportunity be some Ghana. It is a who can compliment her. Then I think Prof Mills no nyamo ye na bia anko ye. And I JM so beto aso. It is a who share so obini ni soon in the binder. Then do the HN is share do the any more kind there. Then I think JM didn't learn well from Prof Mills. If that is the narration she's saying. It is the medical question say. Yeah,
no mean yeah.
The bia boko man.
Oh, sure Ghana for say bia boko.
Me kasana ye abantem. A bit is a wake up call because Ghana for need Ghana MPP so do. Ye be nya me a reshima me di me nyina say na nado MPP aban endi mo hwam because ye bi da. If you rako form rest all the social interventions ya enjoy to date is from the MPP.
Okay, let me activate the lines. Join us 0551 931 931. 0551 931 931. Let me hear what you also have to say this morning. A very good morning to you. Join me on the lines 0551 931 931 and 0548 931 931. Yeah. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Morning, your man.
Pacho wenye.
Pacho na midindi azi mtakafisa pasi.
Maintewa no pay.
Yo anapay die. Ebedo mumi yo nini na asi. Akakwa meka ne se. Aya mi ya. Se MPP focus na wa o si. Aya ka friend saying. Enche na nema nyina yi. Chese umunim pa se. Omani nkoye ana mudi bibia gudam nti se beto abano a no magem ye bora dem paye senya nkopon be ya domo a be wi asi nyina ya hwe omo but kakra make an say start breaking the 8 no na kopon so ma won so ede mahama so be break.
Okay, hello, good morning. Come see munyai my friend. Hello. Missy Munyama, my friend, and a woman empowerment. Who's Rami Wine? Die. Unifrim. Missy Manu and Fred. The Bia Mema Mujia, I read you Biafa, and none pay just 5 minutes and from my manuswa. Mama Giaca one day. A man and Fred. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello, my good morning.
Good morning, Kasa. Kasa, hi. You see, I'm not here. I don't know Kasa, my fair. Casamitio.
Me pacho MPP follow. Omo communicators no more want to no much no more. Many people who there a president lawyer. As almost not there when I saw more yes government na is here. Yeah, it's your money. You who the echo.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Hwanye.
I am from Alfred.
Alfred, my radio didn't come from Kakana TV, don't I mean to why?
Okay. But
I Kasa.
With the NDC for 1 year careful. Ombema MPP for BT 8 because Mama Mahama they say in the Obi no 8 years, I actually do my no 4 years extra. And come focus on you. Now and now, nobody 4 years. Anybody on the IBC may you. If you're careful.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Pacho Hwanye.
If I saw FM
Dosia. Many oba na Kasa.
Bacha me oba.
Ah, Kasa.
I just want to say.
Kasa.
Me bacha me feel program in Sudan. This is my first time I'm fail.
Me too.
Mr. MPP follow. What I say, almost that's a moya mamu Omo yama wafre omo somo
yes omo nyam fun no yama
now communicate member why
yo mate. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Pacho Hwanye.
Me Pacho rapid that
I mean too from Atebubu.
Me Pacho we want to dollar need the dollar need if you are maybe Kateba, she can't be the dollar not shipping to the more than a near money shipping. It's me worth dollar.
Okay. The dollar this morning is 9.78. That is interbank. But when you go to the black market. Hello, good morning.
Minister, Omanhene Yaw Domama Breso, Koja Baby Kase Choko Kwaya Mam. He say be ma education a fear dinina I will react. And she said, no, I don't know father, and now I'm my education. Say, my brother, now the Wunia also ever react. Education, a CDGR.
Thank you. Hello, good morning. Finally. Hello.
Good morning.
Why
Me pacho fe Marcus.
Marcus, to meet you.
Pacho mo kete fi kumasi.
Kasa.
Yes, Ramon can check people from no one customer and people they are come for the door. So yeah, so about men people met my bank command this day and coming in my best them. And yes, Ramon out, so no more customer. You hear and customer, mon customer.
Okay. But before see quickly, some few birthdays. Now me wrap it up. Sydney, and now your birthday. Sydney from New Mission Academy. No, I said Sydney. Monfa Branti or Fufu, kama. Monfa Nonto, thank you. Happy birthday to you, Sydney. You are the head of accounts, New Mission Academy. And then Jeremy, another young man, my godson, Jeremy, Julie of KMA, KMA. Estate managers, Neba, Jeremy. Today it's your birthday, and then there's another birthday for this lady, Mrs. Rita. Yes, and Nimunyina na mawuda, Nimunyina mutrimkwa. And when they did a birthday.
Obobia Dalko, NDC Deputy Director for Communication. Ne Obobia birthday.
Obobia.
Because me walk around. Because me one in change.
Obobia, happy birthday to you. But John, you that's no on your back.
Enti Obobia NDC is proud of you.
Okay.
Yet that was when you ba fache me na me ba me Adea Akye na happy birthday to Obobia Dalko.
Okay. I was here for the Jumedian is here. Today with us, a woman empowerment is important. We do it. Now, I'm also so much Tiema who say yes. Giving the women the opportunity, they will excel. My goal, thanks so much for coming.
Thank
and
you
Lily,
for having
thank
me.
you, and all the other supporting women who came, former Cape Coast
mayor,
sweet girls.
Ah,
Yeah, I mean,